Hello, everyone. This is the weekly review for January 4th to January 8th in AP World History as we continue to cover our unit on revolutions. Last week, we conducted a writing prompt. We read a Common Lit article about how Haiti saved the United States, and we learned about cause and effect, primarily how the Haitian Revolution caused the French to lose one of their most expensive colonies and lose money due to wars going on in Europe. And in order to make up for that money loss, they ended up selling the Louisiana Territory to the United States. So, how the United States gets saved is that all of a sudden the United States has an enormous amount of new territory that basically creates as a buffer for potentially encroaching European powers on the new republic. We talked about revolutions, causes, and effects. We reviewed those causes and effects of the major revolutions during this time period, including the American, French, Haitian, Mexican, and Brazilian. Common causes among the revolutions included discontent among the masses with existing power structures, and a common effect included the formation of new democratically inspired governments. Our four-class focus and executive functioning skill was on connecting skill development. After each class, we brainstormed a few skills that we may have focused on and drafted a working list in preparation for the following week's exit ticket. And we also, as usual, reviewed the previous exit ticket. In this particular case, it was on empathy. We also examined industrialization in several different ways. The goal was to explain how technology shaped economic production over time, and we focused on such things as the increased use of coal and iron and the emergence of the factory system. We also explained the causes and effects of economic strategies of different states and empires. And we talked about laissez-faire capitalism, where business was basically allowed to function without any government intervention. And then the counter reaction to that, socialism and communism, where they were encouraging government to have more of an intervention on business practices. Our other goal was to explain the development of economic systems, ideologies, and institutions and how they contributed to change. And we focused on such concepts as mass production, monopolies, trusts, and cartels. We worked on a DBQ graphic organizer. We unpacked each document looking for whether it contains political or social aspects, and that's based entirely on the essay question prompt. And we also unpacked each document looking at the world region that it came from, the major concept that was being covered, what the speaker's point of view was, and what the need was. And what we meant by need was what's the missing voice? What other voice would we need to hear from to get a comprehensive view of the major concepts? What's going to be happening next? We're going to focus on reactions to the industrial economy. We're also going to talk about society continuity and change during the industrial age. We will continue workshopping the DBQ essay and preparing for the Unit 5 exam, which we will take during the shortened classes that will occur during finals week. That's it for now. Take care.